Hello, they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk about you see Southampton won and Arsenal won, and we get Oga God's power. Maybe like say now, Ogbonge Arsenal fan make come tell us how you see this game. Oga God's power. Normally, I know say you as an Arsenal fan, you come here to expect to come see 3 points, make the team deliver 3 points for you, and continue to dig gidigba for ground for the top of the Premier League table. But how you see this performance of Arsenal today?
Bro, I not lie you. Today performance for Arsenal they very poor to my own rate too. When you look from last when we play against
Leeds
Leeds, and I
United.
think the same thing Arsenal play. The same 1-0. We managed now Arsenal to win that game. I still think they still play today. I think they upset of 6 to win 1-0. Surprisingly now, so Southampton got shocked there for 9 minutes. If you look the changes what Arteta made, they go come on Bell White and say they move forward. They support Saka. I mean,
For that win.
you go come out and go put Tomiyasu for that wing. I know that Tomiyasu not they go forward. Tomiyasu not sabi tack. He not sabi break. He not sabi tackle. He not they fall back. Apart from that changes, you want make another one. Make mistake. Go come on Gabriel Martinelli. Go put indicator, which were very very wrong changes. In case and a person say, you know, if you boy, you know the pass, you still knew when you boy, not the tap. I mean, I was now just key the game in that one. When you see the first hour, first 20 minutes, we play the ball well. Now we get the first goal. And if you watch the game, you see, I say yes, we deserve that first goal, but that first 20 minutes. So after that 20 minutes, once I play, the rest means when I play, just a good guy, no vibes again for the game, no spirit. So they score on that goal, and we just kill our game in that one.
So Oga Gospel, make I ask you now. You talk about the Leeds game and this performance. So these two performance not make sense like that. So that one and manage Arsenal to escape with that 3 points. But today they not feel escape. But what do you want to see differently? What do you expect to see make there's change from that kind of performance they perform against Leeds and the performance they perform today against Southampton?
One thing that I say, Arteta they make some changes. Let me say they affect the team for 9 minutes. When you say your team not get vibes again, you put people and say get the spirit to their attack and play the game with their mind. Not you come out play and say get mind to play. They put you on not get mind to play. The thing I play and say we not say yes. That guy not sabi not the attack number one. And if you boy like pull out to his step, no one pass. And just our problem. If they feel like you bring anything for 9 minutes, some say we not so they win the game. People bring about 9 minutes, say hey, that one no say yes, we already win game, but you bring that guy. When you say you just win 1-0, and you say 1-0 not be game. They fit score you, they fit score you anytime, who go win you for 9 minutes. And they do like I change, which is very wrong. Like I'll give you an example. Say when we play against PSV on Thursday for Europa League, I see the same thing still happen. We get this Brazilian ball and buy from the hand. You get that ball. If you want to come, if you put that ball, what is that they do for bench? We don't know. So I mean, just like, if you put those points, they get vibes. So I think they get the spirit of they attack, they pass the ball. I want to say Arsenal players say Arsenal team say they get young squad. Them say yeah, they get the spirit to their attack. The oldest player for them now is Granit Xhaka, and I think they give us our goals now in the sense. So I just been seeing like for them with that.
So make I ask you now, 2.9 Arsenal are they currently above Manchester City for the Premier League table. With that 2 point lead and what you don't see so far, you believe say Arsenal go fit challenge Man City for the Premier League title?
Bros, I'm just not fan, but that one there, I lie. Man City, those people there, let me say they be pack of wolf. You know say wolf, if they move in bunk, they move in park. So now so be Man City. So I not be say Arsenal will compete Premier League in Man City. No. If Arsenal meet Man City now, we know say we'll collect. Now the fact we'll collect because their striker are dead. Their striker get that vibe, is strong. So and our defender, only person I get hope for our defender now only Saliba. Gabriel the fuck up at times. So now at least Saliba, at least Saliba not fit go attack Haaland. I want to start now. So if Arsenal meets Man City now, bro, go collect. That one will collect now, down our shots. And down in my mind say we'll collect. So I fear now. Say anytime we meet Man City, those guys like De Bruyne, I mean they get injured. I don't say yes. I think get more hope. But now, bro, I don't get hope. I don't lie you. That's what it be.
So if you want to predict where Arsenal will finish by the end of the season, which position you go predict?
I'll probably say Arsenal will fit top 3.
Top 3.
Yeah.
All right now, Oga Gospel, thank you for your time.